Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals -6, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals 21, and y equals 14.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals -6 to x equals 21, the run is 27. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 14, the rise is 12.
Slope is rise divided by run, 12 over 27, which simplifies to 4 over 9. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 4 over 9, x1 is -6, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.